Hey friends, welcome back to Sidzad. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make some amazing DIY crafts out of waste material which is very easily available at your home so you don't have to go outside. So let's start today's tutorial. So for our first craft, we are going to make these DIY coasters, and for that you will need a CD and some acrylic paint. Here I'm using this Montmartre turquoise color, as you can see. Just apply it to cover the whole CD, make sure it is completely opaque. And now it's time for some designing, and for that I am taking a 0 number paintbrush and some white acrylic paint and painting a floral pattern. So you can paint whatever you want, like it's all up to you. And yeah, if the white paint is not much opaque, you can also apply a second coat because sometimes white paints don't give good coverage. So friends, this video has been in my draft for like so long, and I was thinking to upload it, but then some problems were also there, like some of the clips weren't ready, so you might see a bit quality difference or a lighting difference in some of the clips, so please don't mind and enjoy the video. Now our coaster is completely ready. Just seal it by using varnish or Mod Podge, and yes, this is how it looks like. Let's move on to our second DIY craft, which is this beautiful wall hanging. For this you will need some pieces of cardboard. Here I'm using some pieces from biscuit boxes. You can take whatever you want. And so you have to take something round. You can also take a bowl. Here I'm taking a cap and just start making a circle. Now I'm going to make another circle just like that, so that it will appear like a crescent moon. Now you have to create one more of exactly same size. Now I'm taking a smaller cap and again repeating the same process. As you can see, try to make these shapes equal so they look alike. Now carefully cut these out, and now we are gonna paint all of these black. As you can see, I have made all the shapes like equal, and now I'm using black acrylic paint to cover all of them. And then now you will need black wool, or you can also use a black thread, which is quite thick, and all you have to do is just place these shapes symmetrically on the wool like this and use a black tape to paste and fix it at its place. And like this I'm going to paste all the shapes on this wool. As you can see, you have to paste all the shapes in the same order as I'm showing you. And now our beautiful wall hanging is completely ready. So see how it looks like. Let's move on to our third DIY. We are going to create this beautiful tree with pistachio shells. So let's get started. So for this, I've been saving these shells for a very long time. And as you know, this video has been in my draft for a very long time, so this is just a result of that, I guess. So now all you have to do is paint these shells in your desired colors. You have to choose the colors on your own, like what color do you like of flowers, And now I've painted all of these shells. I've also painted the shells from inside because they'll be visible when we will make flowers by using it. Now I'm taking a tree branch like this. You can get it from nearby. It's very easily available, and I have just painted it golden. Now let's stick our flowers on this by using some glue gun. So all you have to do is carefully place one by one pistachio shells and hold them for a few seconds until the glue gun dries. You have to place them just like I'm showing you. It might look kinda bit hard, but it's not. Once you try it, it will get easier and easier only. And there's not like an order in which you need to place them. You can place them randomly because a flower is not perfect. It's just the way it is, so just make it. Like here, I'm showing you once again how to paste it. And this is how all the flowers look like. Just see how lovely they look. And now, I'm just gonna place some leaves as well, cause what's a tree without leaves? So this is how our tree looks like. Now I'm using this pot. You can use whatever you have. And I just added some fairy lights as well, and look how beautiful it looks. Hope you all liked it as well. And it's very easy to make. Let's move on to our fourth craft, which is this DIY pen stand, which is itself made out of pens. Isn't that interesting? So for this, I'm going to take this Pringle box and I'm going to cut this according to the height of the pen that I have, like a little bit lower than the actual height. I have marked it, and now I'm going to use a cutter to cut this. Do this step very carefully. And now the most important thing is so many pens. These pens are all used, and I have been saving these as well for a very long time. And as they are colorful, so they will give kind of really unique look to our pen stand. So you need to paint it black so that the pens kind of look more attractive. So I'm just using a glue gun to stick all these pens one by one, and yeah, stick them straightly. And this is how our pen stand looks like. Let's add some pens in this, and look how unique and attractive it looks. So hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. Make sure to give it a big fat thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below. See you until my next video. Bye bye.